How to turn off closed captioning on ESPN. Your first things first is just access and head directly to espn.com. And once you have access or watch or even a live stream on a certain match, all you have to do under the playback portion of your screen, it is actually not indicated as closed caption or subtitle. So all you have to do from there is just go to your playback options and you should be able to see an option that says C.C or CC. Now closed captioning may not be available of all the matches or all the videos that you can watch from ESPN, but if it's going to be available, then all you have to do is just to locate that icon or image that says CC. And once you tap on that, it will automatically be turned off. And once you tap it again, it will turn back on. So that's it. That's how easy and quick and straightforward for you to be able to turn off closed captioning on ESPN.